A cup of wellness, the rise of herbal teas. Did you know that drinking herbal tea regularly can improve your health? It's true. More and more people are discovering the power of these natural drinks. They're packed with good-for-you ingredients. Herbal teas are becoming a popular choice for people who want to live healthier lives. Unlike sugary drinks, herbal teas are naturally calorie-free and full of flavor. They're a delicious way to support your well-being. Gone are the days when tea was just a cozy drink for cold nights. Today, herbal teas are recognized for their potential health benefits. They offer a natural and enjoyable way to take care of yourself from the inside out. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of herbal infusions, there's a perfect blend out there for you. Let's dive into the world of herbal teas and discover how they can help you achieve your health goals. Seeking natural solutions for modern problems. In today's fast-paced world, many people struggle with stress, poor sleep, and digestive issues. We're constantly searching for ways to feel better. Herbal teas offer a natural and effective solution. For centuries, cultures around the world have turned to herbs for their medicinal properties. These traditions are now being rediscovered as people seek gentle and holistic approaches to health. Herbal teas provide a convenient and enjoyable way to incorporate these ancient remedies into our modern lives. Instead of relying solely on medications, many people are turning to natural alternatives like herbal teas to support their well-being. They are empowering themselves to take control of their health. From calming chamomile to invigorating peppermint, a wide variety of herbal teas can address specific health concerns. Let's explore some popular herbal teas and their unique benefits. Your tea, your health goal. Finding the perfect brew. Feeling stressed? Chamomile tea can help you relax and unwind. It's known for its calming properties. Having trouble sleeping? Try a cup of lavender tea before bed. Lavender is famous for its soothing aroma and sleep-promoting effects. Digestion problems? Peppermint tea can soothe your stomach and ease indigestion. It's a natural remedy for digestive discomfort. Looking for an immune boost? Elderberry tea is packed with antioxidants that can help strengthen your body's defenses. It's a great choice during cold and flu season. Real people, real results, the power of herbal teas. Countless individuals have experienced the incredible benefits of incorporating herbal teas into their daily routines. They report improved sleep, reduced stress levels, and better digestion. One study found that chamomile tea significantly improved sleep quality in people with insomnia. Participants who drank chamomile tea regularly fell asleep faster, slept longer, and woke up feeling more refreshed. Another study revealed that peppermint tea effectively reduced symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, such as abdominal pain, bloating, and gas. These real-life examples and scientific studies highlight the tangible impact herbal teas can have on our health and well-being. Embrace the herbal tea revolution. In conclusion, herbal teas offer a delicious and natural way to improve your health and well-being. From boosting your immune system to promoting relaxation, there's an herbal tea for every need. Incorporate a cup or two into your daily routine and experience the transformative power of these ancient remedies. Your body will thank you for it. What are your favorite herbal teas and how have they benefited you? Share your experiences in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks.